Conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
Right. Yeah, what we are discussing about machine learning, right? Come to the point. Machine learning. So, what are the steps for the machine learning? Machine learning. Okay. What are the steps for the machine learning? First of all, we have the data. We have the data. Okay. Data. 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 What kind of data? What is the different kind of data? Tell me. Data nothing but what kind of data you will be getting, right? It may be a numerical.
Photos, credentials, numbers.
Super, super. It may be a numerical. It may be a audio data. It may be a video data. It may be a image data. It may be a sensor data. Any other formats? Text to data. Text data. Any other data? Data is nothing but it may be in the numerical format, it may be in audio format, it may be a video format, it may be a image format, it may be a sensor format, it may be a text format. Okay, whatever the data you are getting, that is something like a unstructured data. Whatever the data we are going to be getting, that is unstructured data. Unstructured 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 data. Okay, so whatever the data we are going to be getting, that is unstructured data. First of all, what we need to do is unstructured data, we need to make it as structured data. Unstructured data, we need to make it as structured data. There is a process for that. Okay, I want to make this data to structured data. Okay, in the proper structure, in the proper model. Unstructured data, whatever we are going to be getting from the different kind of online systems, different kind of web applications, different kind of mobile applications, we want to make it as structured. Okay, so whatever the data we are going to be getting, we need to make it as structured. What kind of unstructured data you are going to be getting? What is the format of unstructured data? We may have null values, we may have duplicates, we may have null values, we may have duplicates, we may have junk. All this data we need to make it as structured. That process is actually called data wrangling. Data wrangling. Data wrangling process or data cleaning process. Data wrangling or data cleaning process. So this is working with Python, using with the NumPy, using with pandas. What we can do is data cleaning. Data cleaning, clean, yeah, spelling is correct. Clean, okay. Data wrangling or data cleaning. Unstructured data came to the structured data. Whatever the data is going to be making as unstructured to structured, this particular structured data in the proper format. This data we need to give to the machine. This data we need to give to the machine or machine learning. Okay, we are giving this data to the machine. Whatever the data, structured data is there, that data we are giving to the machine. Machine. Okay. Machine nothing but some kind of algorithm. Machine nothing but some kind of algorithm. Okay. Whatever the unstructured data we have, that we are making to the structured data and we are giving to the machine learning or machine algorithm. Then here some model is going to be deployed. Here data modeling is going to be happening with data modeling. Data modeling. We have the unstructured data that we are making a structured data, then we are giving to the data modeling. In the data modeling, you will be getting some result. You will be getting some result. Finally, we are going to be getting some result. It may be result. Can go for the result. It can go for the result. Whatever the result we have, that we need to make it as visualization. Whatever the result we have, that we need to make it as visualized format. Finally, the owner, business owner need to see some dashboard. Finally, business owner need to see some dashboard. Finally, the business owner need to see some dashboard. Using by this dashboard, he can able to understand how my business is going to be running. It may be a DMart application, it may be a Reliance application, it may be any kind of application. Any kind of application. Okay, coming to the point here, what are the different kind of machine learning algorithms are available with? What are the different kind of machine learning algorithms are going to be available with? Okay, let me go. This is machine learning basically. Let me save this. ML machine learning.
So Mohansh, one query here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Here the data providing by the user, or else it is fetching from the online or something else
It will
in
come.
general.
It will come from online.
Okay.
For example, DMart sales are going on. DMart sales are going on, or hospital bills are going on, or some
Mhm.
other things are going on. Data coming from online.
Okay.
But first of all, we need to make algorithm. We need to create algorithm for that.
Understood.
Yeah, fine. So there are different kind of machine learning algorithms which are going to be given. One is supervised. One is supervised. Yesterday I discussed about supervision. Yesterday I discussed about supervision. What is the meaning of supervision? What is the meaning of supervision? Unsupervised. Unsupervised. Reinforcement. Reinforce. Three kind of machine learning algorithms are available. One is supervised, one is unsupervised, one is reinforcement. Tell me what is the meaning of supervision? What is the meaning of supervision? What is the meaning of unsupervision? What is the meaning of reinforcement? Tell me about the supervision. Yesterday I discussed about supervision. What is the meaning of supervision? Teacher is available, na? 1 second, guys. 1 second, just give me 1 second. Okay, let me go ahead. What is the meaning of supervision? Govindu Babu.
Is it kind of properly arranged or something?
No. Yesterday I told na. What is the supervision? There is a supervisor. There is a supervisor. He is going to be teaching the students. Huh? So here it is a kind of labeled data. It is a kind of labeled data. Labeled data. Labeled data. What is the meaning of labeled data? Okay, for example, one teacher is there for the student. Teacher is there for the student. Teacher, student. Teacher is teaching the student, sir. Teacher is a supervisor, na?
Yes.
Teacher is a supervisor. Teacher is teaching the student. Okay, teacher knows something, and teacher is going to be teaching the student. That is a supervision. Okay, that is called labeled data. Labeled data. Okay, every data have some attribute, that is have some name. That is a supervision. Unsupervised data, unsupervised machine learning algorithm, nothing but unlabeled data. Unlabeled data. Whenever you have unlabeled data. Reinforcement. What is the meaning of reinforcement? Is something like imaginary.
Trial
Imaginary.
and error.
Trial and error. Imagination. Something like imagination. I don't know what is going on today. I don't know what is going on tomorrow. I don't know. That is something like imagination. In the process of imagination, trial, trial, success, okay, or error, or error. Next, one more time try, one more time error, one more time error, one more time error. Finally, sometime it may be happened. Trial and error, sir. If I am touching the fire, it may be painful or it may be smooth. First time I am going to be touching the fire. It may be fire, it may be smooth. If it is fire, I don't go. If it is smooth, I can handle it. If I touch water, if I touch water, it may be fire, it may be smooth. Okay, smooth. Go ahead. Fire. Oh, don't touch. That is something like a reinforcement. Supervision, something like labeled data. When you have the data, it is a proper structure format. It is having a proper attributes and all. That is a supervision. Unsupervision, unlabeled data. We don't know about the labels. Okay. Example I will tell you. Is this clear? Supervised, unsupervised reinforcement. If it is clear, I go for the supervision.
Yes, yes, Mohansh.
Thank you. Yeah, I will save this. ML types. I will share this document. Huh? I will share all these documents. Okay. I go for the supervised now. Supervised. Example I will tell you how the supervision is going to be working like. Yes, I have three objects here. I am telling like this is apple, this is orange, this is mango, this is apple, this is orange, this is mango. Okay, some machine is there. Some machine is there. Here some machine is there. Okay, I'm teaching the machine. I'm teaching the machine. What I'm teaching to the machine? Hello machine. This is apple. This is orange. This is mango. This is apple. This is orange. This is mango. I am giving the labeled data. I'm giving labeled data. Labeled data nothing but what? This is have some red color. Sorry, this is have some red color. Red color. Apple is something like red color. Orange is something like orange color. Okay. I am telling to the machine, this is apple, this is orange, this is mango. Clearly, I am saying that I am giving the labels to the machine. Whenever you are getting a fruit like red color, that is apple. Whenever you are getting a fruit like orange color, that is orange. And I am giving the labels to the machine. Okay. So this is the algorithm. I am teaching to the machine. Hey machine, please understand. This is apple, this is orange, this is mango. I am teaching to the machine. This is ML algorithm. Let me do this. ML algo. One second. This is supervision. Supervised. I'm telling to the machine, hello machine, this is apple, this is orange, this is mango. Okay. In real time, whenever you are getting an object like a red color to the machine, imagine in live, whenever some kind of data coming to the machine, what the machine can tell? Hey apple.
Apple.
In live, in deployment, this algorithm is going to be deployed in the real time, sir. Whenever this algorithm is deploying into the real time, some some object is coming. Some object is coming to the algorithm. Some kind of object is coming to the algorithm. Red color object is coming. If red color object comes, machine
Apple.
tells, oh my god, super. Okay. Sometime this color object is coming. This
Mango.
color object is coming to the,
Mango.
obviously. No. This is orange. This is orange. This is orange. Orange color, na? What I draw? Orange, yellow, na?
Yellow, sir.
One second. Yeah.
Orange.
One second. One second. Okay. Sometime this kind of object comes to the machine. What this
Orange.
machine tells? Orange. Okay. Sometime this kind of object comes to the machine. What machine can tell? What machine
Mango.
can tell? Machine is obviously finding that this is mango.
Mango.
Why? Because we are training the machine. We are training the machine. Red color is apple. Orange color is orange. Orange color is orange fruit, and yellow color is mango fruit. We are clearly saying that we are giving the labeled data to the machine. We are giving labeled data to the machine. Then in the real time, whenever you are getting the red color object, it is telling that, oh, it is apple. Orange colors come, automatically this is orange. Yellow color comes, this is mango. Fine, very good. This is supervision. Next, unsupervised. Supervised.
Sure, it will take the structure also, sir, going forward. Like we have cherry, pomegranate also, right? In the
N number
same
of
red color. So we can give
N
the
num-
characteristics of the
yeah,
fruit also, right?
we have to give the label. We have to give
Uh,
the label proper. I'm just telling the example here, but this
yeah,
is
yeah.
in real time. There is a n number of things. For example, there is a object. That object have a proper attributes,
Yes, yes. Yeah. All the different characteristics, attributes.
different kind of characteristics.
Yes,
I'm,
yes.
I'm just telling for your understanding purpose. I'm just
Okay.
telling like this is apple, this is orange, this is mango.
Yeah, understood.
In the proper manner, I'm supervising the machine. Whenever
Yes.
you are getting this kind of data, this is apple. Whenever you are getting this kind of data, this is orange. Whenever you are getting this kind of data, this is mango. Okay, we are training the machine in the proper manner. Okay, for
Got it.
example, sir, in the realistic way, in the classroom, for examination, teacher is going to be giving the question paper to the student before going to exam. Before going to exam, he is giving the question paper. Sir, these are
Okay.
the questions. These are the questions in the next tomorrow. Tomorrow we have the examination. These are the questions. Prepare well. Questions he is going to be giving. Questions he is going to be giving.
Okay.
What student can do?
He will learn and come.
Okay. Okay.
Answer.
These are the 20 questions. These are the 30 questions. I need to prepare for examination. Question paper giving, sir. Question paper giving is supervision.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go for the unsupervised. Tell me unsupervised. Very clear. You can tell this. Unsupervised. There is no teacher. There is
No
no
less.
teacher. No labeled data. No labeled data. Okay. So, for example, red color is coming. Orange color is coming. Yellow color is coming. Okay. Machine. Some machine is there. Let me go with yeah. Some machine is there. Now this kind of machine getting the unlabeled data, sir. Unlabeled data. Unlabeled data means there is no attributes. There is no attributes. There is no attributes. We are training the machine with unlabeled data.
Like
We are
mapping.
training the machine. We are training the machine with unlabeled data. There is no labels. There is no label. There is no attribute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So whenever we are giving the machine to unlabeled data, whenever we are giving to the machine unsupervised learning, in unsupervised learning, what we are doing is we are giving the unlabeled data to the machine. Then what machine can do? All red colors, keep it at once. All red color objects keep at the similar space. All orange colors keep in the separate space. All yellow colors keep in the separate space. Machine is going to be clustering. Machine is going to be dividing. All red colors separate. All orange colors separate. All yellow colors separate. Machine will do this. This is called unsupervised learning. We are not giving the labeled data to the machine. We are giving unlabeled data to the machine. But machine can think and imagine, and machine separates. Machine separates all red colors into the one area, all orange colors into the one area, all yellow colors into the one area. This
Yes.
is extraordinary actually. This is called clustering. Clustering is going to be happening with unsupervised learning. Clustering is going to be happening with the unsupervised learning. Next, one more learning. One more learning. Reinforce. Unsupervised. Unsupervised. One more learning. Reinforce. What is the reinforce? Anybody? Reinforcement. What is the reinforcement? What is the reinforcement?
Trail and imaginary, it's like trial and error. It will learn. If it's trial and it's success. Error means it will learn again. Again, it will try. Trial
Okay.
and
Example, I will tell you. Example. For example, one small boy is there. A small boy. A small boy. Okay. He will touch the fire. He will touch the fire. Okay. He will touch the fire. When he touch fire, he pained.
you'll
He
get,
get
yeah,
he get
get,
pain. When he touch fire, he get pain. He get pain. I don't want touch again. It is a kind of trial and error. Trial and error. Trial and error. Sir, first time you're riding the car, sir. You're driving the car. You got to know there are multiple obligations or multiple fluctuations you can able to face whenever you first time you are driving the car. You don't know how to operate the car, but you tried it. You tried it. Okay, first gear, straight forward. You are going with the third gear. Automatically, car stopped. Okay, what I need to do? I go for the first gear first, then clutch, then accelerator. So whatever you want, you're just learning. You're just learning in the mode. Trial and error, trial and error. Machine is going to be getting the data. Machine is going to be getting the data. Uh, 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 is something like imaginary data. Machine is going to be getting the some imaginary data. Machine is going to be getting some imaginary data. Okay, through this imaginary data, machine can handle with. Machine can handle with. I go for what? It may be a success, it may be a failure. For success, rewards. Some failure, one error point. For success, it get reward. For failure, it may be error. For every success, it may get reward. For failure, it get error. Reinforcement basically working with deep learning, sir. Majorly reinforcement working with the deep learning process. This is going on. This will take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. We don't care about the time. We don't care about the time. Okay, but we have some kind of algorithms. That is a kind of reinforcement learning. Imaginary data. But majorly working with supervised and unsupervised. Imaginary data reinforcement learning working with the deep learning process. That is also can work with the machine learning process. It is still available in the market. Still available in the market. I hope everybody got understand about the supervised and unsupervised reinforcement. Three kind of algorithms. This is reinforce. One is supervised, one is unsupervised, one is reinforce. Okay, coming to the supervised. What are the different kind of algorithm in the supervised learning? What are the different kind of algorithms in the supervised? In supervised, what are the different kind of algorithms available in the supervised learning? Tell me, sir. Anybody? In supervised, what are the different kind of algorithms? I told you already.
Labeled.
Labeled data. Supervised is labeled data. What kind of algorithms? Regression, classification. Regression and classification. One is a regression, one is a classification. Regression models, classification models. Regression and classification. Now, what is the meaning of regression? Hmm. Regression, sir. Okay. Let me tell you one simple example, general example. Regression, nothing but. Okay. Simply, I want to explain with you regression models. Okay. For example, student is there. Okay. In the first semester, he got 90%. Second semester, second sem, he got 88%. 88%. Third semester, he got 92%. 92%. Okay. Now tell me, in the fourth semester, I don't know about the fourth semester. What you can able to expect from him?
85.
How you say 85? Take average of 90 and 88 and 92. First semester he got 90, second semester he got 88, third semester he got a 92. Fourth semester is the question. Fourth semester is the question.
90.
So we are telling to the mission, hey mission, in the first semester he got 90%, in the second semester he got 88%, in the third semester he got 92%, fourth semester what he can able to achieve. We are asking the machine. Now machine trained with first semester, second semester, third semester. Now machine can imagine about the fourth semester. What machine can do is machine takes average of the first semester, second semester and third semester. Machine can take average basically. What we can able to say? So as a human being, what we can say? Okay, so he's the good person. He is getting 90%, 88%, 92%. He may get 90. This is imaginary. Okay, he may get 90 or 91 or 93. I say like fourth semester he may get 90%. Easily I can say, or you can say. Govinda Babu, what you can say? Person can say, person can get fourth semester. What is the percentage of the student?
90%.
Based on the previous data. Based on the previous data, we have the previous data, na? We have the previous
Yes.
data. We have the recorded data. First semester he got 90. Second semester he got 88. Third semester he got 92. Oh my God! Fourth semester he may get
90%.
90 plus 90%. Okay, I say 90%. Okay, I say 90%. Exactly, or I can say 93%. He is improved. This is called a regression model. Regression model is something like based on the previous data, I need to say the imaginary data. Regression. Okay, in the winter, this is one example. In the winter, in the winter, in the winter time, in the winter time, we are actually working with winter, na? Okay, in the winter time, in the winter, yesterday weather is yesterday weather is okay, 20 degrees for example, 20 degrees. And what is the today weather? Yesterday weather is 20 degrees. Day before yesterday, day before yesterday, day before yesterday, 19 degrees. What is the today weather? Expect about the today weather. Expect about the today weather. It may be 19 or 20, or it may be 18. Sir, yesterday 20, day before yesterday 19. What is the today weather? In the
Between
winter
18
season. This is the winter season.
18, sir.
18 or 19. Okay, 18 or 19 or 20. This is a kind of regression model. Regression is something like what is the regression is actually?
Estimate.
Regression model is something like based on the previous data, based on the previous experience, you have to tell the today experience. That is a regression model. Now tell me the classification. Classification. In the name only there, classified. Classify. What is the meaning of classification? You know about the classifieds in the newspaper. You know about the classification in the newspapers? Classifieds in the newspaper. Newspaper classifieds are there. What are the classifieds? What are the classifieds?
It's like ads.
Mhm.
Like
Okay.
ads, sir.
Ads, huh? Okay. Classification, nothing but separation.
Politics.
Separation. Classification, nothing but separation. What is the kind of separation? Okay. What about Rohit? Indian cricket batter. Rohit can bowl, huh? Rohit is batter. Hmm. What about the? Tell me some bowler names.
Bumrah.
Bumrah. Yeah. What about Bumrah? Bumrah can bat, huh?
Bowler, sir.
Bumrah is bowler. Okay. I want to separate the team. I want to separate the team. Who is batter? Who is bowler? Who is wicket keeper? Or who is all rounder?
Hardik Pandya.
Yeah. Who is the batter? Who is the bowler? Who is the all rounder? That I want to make separation based on the categories of the data. I want to separate the data, sir. So previously I told whatever the red color is coming, that is apple. Whatever the orange color is coming, that is orange. Whatever the yellow color is coming, that is mangoes. In the same way, who is good for batting? In the previous records, Rohit is good for batting. In the opener, who is the first bowler? Who is the first two or three overs will bowl the match? I want to classify the data. I want to classify the data based on the previous records. I want to classify the data based on the previous records. What his history? I want to check about his history. When I am going to be checking about his history, based on that, I need to go for classify the data. Am I clear, sir? This is basically I am telling generally, but in the real time, this is going to be working with attributes. But in the real time, this is going to be working with attribute. Regression is different. Regression is something like based on the previous experience, we can able to imagine the today experience,
Predicting the future. Yeah.
predicting the future. That is a regression. But classification is different. Classification is something like classify the data, separation of the data, where he is capable of, where he is capable of. Rohit is basically number of centuries and number of good scores. Okay, based on that, I say that Rohit is better. Okay, Bumrah, number of wickets he is going to be taking and number of overs he is going to be bowling. Based on that, I say Bumrah is a bowler. I can able to easily say Bumrah is a good bowler. Yeah, claps. Rohit is good batter, opener, super. How I can say? How I can say? Based on his previous records. Based on his previous records. Okay, one more example I will tell you for the classification. One more example I will tell you for the classification. Okay, cool drink, sir. One cool drink I will take. One cool drink. One cool drink I will take. Okay, cool drink sales. When cool drink sales will be high? When cool drink
During
sales will be
summer,
high? In summer.
while
In
eating biryani.
eating biryani. Okay, in summer, cool drink sales are high. In summer, high. In winter,
Low.
how I can say? Based on the previous records. Based on the previous records. Obviously, cold drink sales are very high in the summer. Okay, what a DMart can think? What DMart can do the decision? See, finally, DMart is going to be having a decision, sir. What DMart can
Wait.
do?
Winter
What
very
DMart
low.
can do? What DMart can do? In summer, they have good production for the cold drinks. High production in the summer for the cold drink sale. In winter, they are going to be giving the low production for the cold drinks. In winter, they will focus on different other kind of things in the winter or in the rainy season. In the rainy season, when you go to the DMart, different products are going to be displayed. In the school season, school starting season, when you go to the DMart, different products they will display. How they are taking the decisions? How they are taking the decisions based on the previous records. Oh my God! In the rainy season, I need to sell umbrellas. I need to sell raincoats. I need to sell different kind of sweaters. When you go to the DMart, automatically you can feel like a season. Based on the season, they will sell, sir. Based on the season, they will sell. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, based on the season. Based on the season, they will sell the products. So that is actually called a classification. Regression is what? First semester 90%, second semester 88%, third semester 92%, fourth semester obviously the student get 93%. That is the regression model. In the classification model, Rohit is a batter, Bumrah is a bowler. How I can say Rohit is better? How I can say Rohit is better? How I can say Bumrah is a bowler?
Record.
Based on the records, based on the previous matches. Yeah, we need to observe. We need to observe the previous matches. What is his performance in the previous matches? In the previous matches, Rohit performed very well in the batting field. In the way that I think like Rohit is better, not bowler. Why? Because he did not bowled. He did not bowled anytime. Okay, Bumrah. When I say Bumrah record. When I take Bumrah record, number of previous matches I want to see. Number of previous matches I want to see about the Bumrah. Bumrah bowling first, and Bumrah taking wicket first, and Bumrah have the record, super records, in the bowling field. In the way I say that Bumrah is the bowler. Okay, who is the wicket keeper in the previous matches I want to observe, previous records I want to observe? Dhoni. Dhoni is actually he's the batter and he's the batter and he's the wicket keeper. He's the batter and he's the wicket keeper. Based on the previous records, I can say. Sir, that is something like classification, sir. So one model is regression model, one model is classification in the supervisor learning. In the supervisor learning, I want to say like one is a regression, one is a classification. Regression is something like based on the yesterday, based on the previous day, I just want to say about the today. That is a regression. Classification is something like I just want to check about the previous records. Based on that, I put this here. I put this in the A category, B category, C category. I want to classify the data in the different categories. I want to classify the data in the different categories. I want to classify the data in the different categories. That is what actually a classification is. Separation of the data is classification. But I want to imagine something about the previous records, that is a regression. Am I clear? Don't confuse. Don't
Yes, sir.
confuse. Regression is something based on the previous day, based on the yesterday. What is today is the regression. Classification is something like you have the huge amount of data. You have 1,000 records. 1,000 records. Please go and separate. I give a basket, sir. I give a basket collection of fruits and vegetables. Easily you can do. Easily you can do. You can do separation, huh? Sir, fruits, all fruits, you can keep in the one basket. All the vegetables you keep in the one basket. You classify the data. Am I clear? I give a basket, sir. I give a basket, a collection of fruits and vegetables. What you can do? I ask you a question. Please separate the fruits and the vegetables. What you can do? All fruits picking into the one basket. All vegetables picking into the one basket. You do easily classify. Why? Because you know what is fruit, what is vegetable. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
There is something like classification. Regression is something like yesterday this is a record and today this is the record. First semester he got 90%, second semester he got 88%, third semester he got 92%, fourth semester obviously he can able to get 93%. I can say the answer. Sir, machine learning is simple, but we need to understand it. We need to understand it. Okay, anyway, in the Monday I will give you one simple algorithm about the regression and classification, and I go to the Flask. I go to the full stack application. I will give you. Okay, for example, there is one simple application. There is one simple scenario. Hmm. House you want to purchase, sir. House you want to purchase in Hyderabad. House you need to purchase. Let me change. Okay, house you need to purchase. How you go for the house purchase?
Based on the size, based on the plots, plot size, construction,
Okay, okay. So first of all, you need to check about the
location.
area. First of all, you need to check about the area
Yeah, location.
and 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, whatever you want, 2 bedroom. Okay, nearby, nearby metro or nearby schools. Whenever you are purchasing the house, you have to check number of parameters. Na? First of all, you need to check about the area. Next, you need to check about the bedrooms, single bedroom, double bedroom, triple bedroom. Then check about the age of the house, how much old it is. Based on all these parameters, the price of the house will be prediction. Price of the house will be prediction. If one parameter is changed, price is vast. Price is vary. Suppose the age of the house is very new, price is very high. If the age of the house is very age of the house is something like a 15 years old house, price is very low. Sir, first of all, we train the machine. We train the machine based on the area, based on the number of bedrooms, based on the nearby metro, based on the nearby schools, based on the age. We train the machine number of prices, number of prices. But I will ask to the machine, hey machine, I need to purchase a house. I'm giving this area. I'm giving this number of bedrooms. I give this number of parameters. Then what is the price of the house? Then machine will tell you exact price nearby. Exact price nearby. How the machine is going to be telling, sir? How the machine is going to be telling? Based on the learned data. Based on the learned data. Machine already learned. Machine already learned with the records. You are giving number of parameters, number of records, number of prices also. Now machine takes average. Machine takes average by all these parameters, and machine give automatically price. That is something like a regression model. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow I will give you the. So not tomorrow, Monday I will give you an example for this project. How the house price you can able to predict with. how the house price you can be able to predict with. Am I clear, sir? Okay. Thanks for attending the session. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel if anybody not
Okay.
subscribed it.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Everybody understand what is
Yes.
supervised and unsupervised reinforced? Sir, like this, nobody can tell about the data science. Nobody can able to tell about the machine learning. You see the YouTube videos, you see the number of examples. You have to remember forever what is regression, what is classification, what is unsupervisation, what is a reinforce. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, I am telling different kind of examples like cricket match, like a cool drink sales, like a student, all these things. But in real time, we have to work with the data. Am I clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Have a good day. Again, we will meet on Monday. Have a good day. See you signing off.
Thank you, sir.
Happy weekend. There is no class tomorrow.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.